Hi, fifth graders. All right, let's check our work. So for the first problem, our first fraction is 2/3. So we have 3 sections, and I am highlighting 2 of the 3 sections. Then our second one is 1/2. Remember to do your lines going the opposite way. It'll make it easier when we want to make the same size pieces. So can't add them together. So again, I did 2 lines up and down on the first one. So let's do 2 lines up and down on the second one. 1 line going across on the second one. 1 line going across on the first one. Now they're equal sized pieces. So one way you can add them is let's move some of the pieces to fill up as many as I can on one. We're going to put them together. So I'm going to take this piece and this piece, and I'm going to move them over here. Here's 1 and 2. So what's left? We have 1 whole and 1/6 left over. And if you didn't just move your pieces, you could also do that by saying, okay, I have 4/6 and 3/6. That's 7/6. And then break apart your 7/6. That'd be like having 6/6, which equals 1, and 1/6. So that'd be 1 whole because of the 6/6 and 1/6 left over. B, same thing. I'm drawing my 2 rectangles. And the first one is cut into 4ths, and I have 3/4. 1, 2, 3. And my second fraction is 2/3, so I'm cutting it into thirds. And we have 2. 1, 2/3. Now we want to make the same size pieces again. So if I had 3 up and down lines, I need 3 up and down lines. 2 side to side, 2 side to side. There we go. And again, your first option, you can move some of the pieces. So I could take 1, 2, 3 of them and move them over here. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 1 whole rectangle full and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 3, 6, 9, 12. 5 out of 12 pieces. Or if you prefer, you have on this one, it was 9/12. And on this one, we had 8/12. I know 9 plus 8 is 17. And then break apart that 17/12. Could pull out a 12/12. Oops. And that would leave you with 5/12 left over to get to 17. So 12/12 is 1, and your 5/12 left over. Last one. 1 rectangle cut in half. And I'm shading in one of the 2 parts. And the second rectangle cut into 5ths. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 3 out of the 5 pieces. There we go. You want to make them the same. So I had 1 line up and down, 1 line up and down. 4 lines side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines side to side. And again, you could write down your new fractions. We have 5 out of 10 and 2, 4, 6 out of 10. So our answer would be 11 out of 10. Or we could move some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are being moved over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1 whole rectangle shaded and 1 out of 10 left over here. 1 and 1/10. And to get that with 11/10, I'm going to pull out the 1, the 10/10. That's the same thing as 1 whole. And that would leave you with 1/10 left over. 1 1/10. Okay, how'd you do? If you need help, make sure you go to office hours today. Good job, everyone. Your exit ticket is really similar to what we just did. Of course, you're not going to be able to show your work online, but you could use the models, just like what we did on the problem set, to solve. What is 5/6 plus 1/4? And they want your answer as a mixed number. Remember, a mixed number is where you have a whole number and a fraction. Whole number and a fraction. And then question 2. Patrick drank 3/4 of a liter of water Monday before jogging. He drank 4/5 of a liter of water after his jog. So he drank some before, drank some after. How much water did Patrick drink all together? Write your answer as a mixed number. So same thing, I want you to solve. You drink some before, you drink some after. What would it be together, all together? All right, good job, everyone. Bye.